everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Akila Najihan binti Syahrudin, lecturer from Faculty Law and Enforcement, Smart College. Today, I will discuss and explain about how to conduct alternative dispute resolution, ADR. So, what is ADR? ADR is collective terms for methods that parties can use to settle their dispute without resorting to court proceedings. So, normally we have a few terms, a few forms that we can use for ADR, which is mediation and arbitration. So today I will focus more on mediation, which is mediation we have three parties will discuss about their disputes, which is plaintiff, defendant and also mediator. What is the role of mediator? Mediator's role is to help the parties to settle their dispute, to find their based on solutions. Okay, so I will proceed to session that we can see about their discussion to settle their problems and dispute.
So I have discussed with both of you. So as we all know that now the defendant here have owed you 12,500 ringgit. And the defendant willing to pay back the debt, but there are certain terms and settlement agreement that we have to discuss further with the plaintiff. So as I got to know that defendant here have a difficulties to pay back the amount of 12,500 ringgit. So the defendant would like to ask a request from you to maybe reduce a bit the amount that she owes. So what is your proposal, Miss?
It's not about I don't want to clear my debt, but she need to understand the economy is collapsing and I'm just losing my job. So I'm begging to her to minimize the amount that I should pay.
So basically, you cannot pay back 12,500 ringgit to Miss Ayu?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Ayu. So now Miss Erin saying that she could not afford to pay back 12,500 ringgit. So do you have any amount that you would like to propose to Miss Ayu?
Maybe around 10,000.
Around 10,000. How about you, Miss Ayu? Are you agree with the amount 10,000 ringgit as a full and final settlement?
10,000 will be okay, but she must pay by post-dated check.
Post-dated check. So that will be the methods of paying post-dated check. Do you have any issue with it?
No, I agree with her decision.
Okay, so I would like to know also about the 10,000 ringgit, whether you will pay her lump sum or is there will be any other way?
Maybe I will clear it off around 6 months.
So meaning to say you would like to pay via installment?
Yes.
Miss Ayu, do you have any issue with it for her to pay back the debt via installment?
Installment would be okay, but I think she must pay within 5 months.
Within 5 months. Do you have any problem with it to pay back the debt within 5 months?
Yeah, I don't think so. I can solve it in 5 months. So I'm just begging maybe just one extra month.
Which is 6 months.
6 months.
So Miss Erin here proposed so that the settlement can be done via 6 months, not 5 months, because you must understand she also just lose her job. So the economy also was not so good for her. Are you okay with the terms? Just one extra month she needed.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. Okay, so both parties agree with the terms of the settlement?
Yes.
Okay, alright, so we managed to get the settlement now, and congratulations to both of you because managed to settle this thing amicably without have to go to court, proceed with the litigation actions and all this. So basically, I believe Miss Ayu, you will withdraw the case at the court, right?
Yes.
Okay, so basically there will be no case against you. And I would like to say that this mediation session is a good mediation session with both of you, and we managed to settle this case, right? Congratulations to both of you.
In conclusion, we can see that the parties having their solution for the debts on 12,500 ringgit, which is the both parties agreed to pay 10,000 within 6 months. So this is the ADR, or alternative dispute resolution, to get their settlement together. So that's all for this week's series. We can see for another time for another series. Be smart, be different.